I don't see any. No, I don't see any wires. Yeah, it's like suitcases, like luggage. My name is Sam.
Sure. Okay. How's it going? My name's Matt.
I'm Matt.
I'm a community member. I'm just doing all sorts of stuff lately. I know you might not want to take it, but I offer it to everybody.
What is it?
I'm actually talking to police, politicians, and press, are my mandate, about 9/11.
Okay.
But what happened? I met a man in Montreal 83 days ago today. He's an architect. He explained it to us like we're in grade 7, okay? There was 47 charges on every floor. It was a controlled demolition.
Okay.
Every floor was boom, 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 boom. The rich get richer, the poor get poorer, okay?
Yep.
You're here in Ottawa, you're a cop. I appreciate what you do, the public service that you're doing, and we all need to work together in this.
Yep.
And I know that there's going to be a lot of controversy coming up more and more about this. I happen to choose 9/11. Some people choose global warming. Some people choose the money system.
Yep.
But we're all getting together now, pro-lifers even too, because, you know, abortion, sure, it should, pro-choice, everybody should have the choice, but the thing is we shouldn't be killing everybody. I know you don't have time.
Right now. Yeah,
no, absolutely.
I'm working right now.
I understand, but you work for me too, and this is your job too,
Yeah.
so thank you so much.
Okay.
Appreciate that. Do you believe in energy?
Energy? Sure. Absolutely.
Be conscious of the energy you put across.
Okay, have a good day.
Could I have 30 seconds of your time? My name's Matt.
Steve.
Steve, nice to meet you.
You too.
Maybe we've met before. I'm trying to meet as many cops as I can. Police, press, and politicians are my mandate.
Okay.
9/11. I met a man 83 days ago today in Montreal. He explained it to us like it was grade 7 science. And he's got 800 architects and engineers behind him, okay? It's not just it's growing. It's
Yeah.
growing, it's growing. It's just simple science. This has got a lot of information on it for you. Just some websites. I'm Ottawa 9/11 Truth.
Okay.
I'm going across Canada. Gonna be doing, we're making movies. We're just making great movies. We're making good community heroes, giving them the tools to be able to be intelligent people, to not stand up against unions or anything like that, but definitely stand up for what they believe in, which is, you know, CSI, forensic science. You guys are cops. It's your job to take these facts that you have and make them into convictions for people. We're not just looking to get people, you know, strung up for anything. We just want to know what really happened that day and the subsequent events, and maybe why, and then, you know, you guys can find out who, and then whatever happens, happens. But
Yeah, no, fair enough.
thank you very much for your time. I graciously appreciate that. Some of the cops I don't get so much time from.
Okay, I'm recording.
Right in. Oh, right up to the end of it. Right up to the end of the subway.
Okay.
My name's Matt.
Okay, Matt, leave me alone, okay?
This is for you. I know most of the people that you work with.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right, because you told me to leave you alone. I have to leave you alone now. It's just information. I've spoken to most of the people you work with already. They already know. And nobody was as rude to me as you were just in the parking lot. Are you sure you were recording?
Yeah.
3022. Brought a straw.
Yep.
Give me this. I'll turn on the windows open first, please. As long as the keys are in your hand. I'm pretty sure that's what the rule is. You want it? You want it?
Global Love Day! Happy Global Love Day!
The knowledge is the power, so you are what you take. Knowledge is the power, so you are what you take.
You get my license plate, buddy. Give tickets to the rich people. They should be paying for the streets. They're the only ones making the money.